The Las Vegas skyline is officially in its rockstar era. We're looking at the massive progress of the new Hard Rock Hotel, which has just surpassed the halfway mark. As of February 2026, the iconic Guitar Tower has reached 28 of its planned 42 stories. You can see the new signature blue glass climbing up the frame, while the old Mirage gold glass is being stripped away to match. When this 660-foot masterpiece opens in late 2027, it will feature nearly 700 luxury suites inside the guitar itself. The entire resort will boast a massive 175,000 square foot casino and a brand new 5,000 seat theater. Vegas is changing fast. Are you ready for the show? What you're seeing is the dismantling of the Mirage Hotel and Casino. When it opened in 1989, the Mirage changed Las Vegas forever. It introduced the mega resort era themed properties, mass tourism, and spectacle on a scale the Strip had never seen. The volcano, the atrium, the white fad, all symbols of a new Las Vegas that replaced the old mob era casinos almost overnight. For decades, the Mirage stood as the dividing line between old Vegas and modern Vegas.